fucking drunk.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Got a lot of box action for you guys this week. These by the box. Let me let you see the box first before I let you know what by the box. You should already know what they are. Let's see. I'll get you some label action. Do a new camera, guys, so bear with me. These are the women's Air Jordan KO1 Special Edition. And the colorway reads Key Lime and Key Lime. Got you guys like the paper. Let me get you the paper. Paper has Billie, Eilish with the Jordan logo. I got two pairs of these. This is my staring pair. I'm pissed off because I'm a big Jordan KO fan. Let me adjust this camera, guys, so we can see the actual shoe. Yeah, I'm a big Jordan KO fan. That should be good. But Jordan KOs are usually made of fabric. This Jordan is made of some type of synthetic leather. Might be real leather, but doesn't feel like it to me, but it's still an awesome shoe. Like I said, the other ones are usually made out of canvas or jean material. You see you get lime laces in the shoe, key lime laces with the shoe. And then you get 3 extra pair of laces. You get a yellow pair, a blue pair, and a neon orange pair. Put them into the shoe, guys. I won't probably be able to fit all 3. I'm trying to stop breaking my lace bags up. I always tear the lace bag. Either putting it back into the shoe. Oh, sorry guys, let me get you a 360 with the light out. This doesn't seem to be a good shoe with the light on. But it's a good shoe. Because the light on makes it too bright. Materials on this shoe are pretty decent. Like I said, I'm just upset that it's leather. I believe that the Jordan KO should always be fabric. Like I said, that canvas material, that was one thing that attracted me to the Jordan, because I could just clean it up and it would last for nearly ever with the Jordan KOs. That's how they became one of my favorites, because when I was young, I couldn't afford to keep going and buying shoes. I had to wear the same pair of shoes more than once. Now I have shoes that I never wear, period. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, I choose, but like I said, I really don't probably ever wear a pair of shoes over one time. I just buy another pair or have so many go through that it's never a reason for me to go back to another pair of shoes. But some shoes I do wear more than once, but it hasn't been for a while. I'm getting like 50 to 100 pairs of shoes for myself every day now. So I really don't ever need to wear shoes again. Plus I'm renting a ton of shoes to keep mine good so they last even longer. Like I said, I have 2 pairs of these in my size, and this is a rental pair. So this is my staring pair, but I have 2 pairs of these. One wearing, one staring, and I have a rental pair. So I'll be able to do all I want with these Billie Eilish's. Get you guys one more 360 with the light on. It's been a great time for shoes too. Every sneaker I want is sitting in the store on the shelf, so I really don't have to worry about anything. I was actually able to use coupons on some shoes. I said I couldn't believe coupons and gift cards. I got the the Bluebirds. I bought these, a couple other pairs for way under retail using my coupon, like 20, 30 bucks. I had so many gift cards and coupons, especially at Foot Locker. Even though they stopped giving them out now, I don't know what I'm going to do with my flex points. Every time I go out now, I can't get them, but I had like 9, 10, maybe more $50 cards. Lord knows how many $20, $10. Get you guys a side view. We'll close it up. Let me know what you guys think of these Billie Eilish's. See a lot of people wearing them, guys and girls. That's why they had such a large run, because they knew people was going to want it. This shoe was just outstanding in my opinion. Except the only thing that could have probably made this shoe better for me is the made out of actual fabric like the normal Jordan KOs. But let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Alright guys, I was going through my storage unit and I found 4 boxes. 2 boxes was of this shoe. Let me cut the light on so you guys can see it. You're going to be happy to see it. I saved these to hit people on the head. So in case you guys need any, I'll have them on eBay and I'll have them on StockX. You guys know what situation these are. Pine green situation. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Black, green, white, and gem gray. AKA the pine green, not 2.0s. I kept a shot ton of these shoes sitting in the cut to sell. Small feet and big feet gang, like I said, so let me know. I have 2 pairs of these. My size, wearing and staring. Let me move this back, get in a good spot. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to just make sure it's in focus. But we all know the pine green situations. This is one of everybody's favorite Jordans. Can't complain about it. Like I said, this pair is going online as well. As if you need a pair, like I said, let me know. I'll be putting up pairs from 9 to 13 on the net. Save these just for occasions like this. The money is low. Now, if you guys really want a pair of pine greens, there's nothing stopping you because there's not too many people buying right now, so you won't have to compete. You can go straight in and get your pine greens. I have 2 whole unopened cases. I also have a case about that guy's camera cut out on me. I forgot to change the memory card to a bigger one. I don't know what size they give you when you first get in, but reset off the camera too, so you guys get a good look at these pine greeners. Even more 360. I don't know where I'm gonna edit this out in the video, but yay, camera. Really like these pine greens. I'm going to bust mine out probably next year. Summertime. Start killing them. You guys can wear the ones you buy from me however you want. I forgot. Go back over. You get the black laces in the shoe. And the pine greens, of course, you know, come with an extra pair of red laces. Just so clean and they just smell so good. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Alright guys, by this box you should know what this is. As I told you earlier in the video that all shoes are sitting. So I was able to snatch up a good number of these. This is my rental pair for wearing. I know that eventually this shoe is going to get popular again, so I don't want to put wear on my 2 pairs. Cut the light on. I have a pair for wearing and staring. Every store I go to, these are sitting in there, so in case you guys want a pair, you can go out and get them. I've got these pairs for way under retail, under $100. I said it's not too hard to get these. My only problem is I thought they were going to be more similar to the Nike Dunk Wu-Tangs. Let me get you guys box action. So I cut this light on and read the description. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Pollen, white and black, aka the Jordan 1 Wu-Tangs, or the Pollens, whichever you prefer to call it. It's a darker color than the Wu-Tangs. The gold is a darker material, but the leather it's okay leather. Not the softest Jordan that I ever seen, but still nonetheless it's a good Jordy. I don't know why you guys are letting them sit. Maybe you prefer other Jordys, like money's tight. Before I get you the light action, let me do another turn on the shoe. So you can see you get pollen laces in the shoe. Then you get an extra set of white and black laces. I don't know why Nike doesn't give every shoe with multiple color laces, but again, I don't work at Nike. See the pollen bottom? Not a bad shoe, guys. Like I said, I don't know. If you're a Jordan 1 fan, I don't really understand how you can't have a pair of these. I had to have a pair. I had to have 2 pairs. This is my 3rd pair. Like I said, I'm going to wear this pair. Put some mileage on it. Then bust out my other pair 2 years from now, 3 years from now. And everybody has forgotten about the Jordan 1 pollen. Just like the pine greens. Like I said, I still haven't worn my pine greens. I found those 2 boxes of those by accident. Like I said, I got the UNC4s just sitting. Is they UNC4s? I think they're UNC3s. Yeah, UNC3s. I apologize, guys. Found 2 boxes of UNC3s. So in case you're interested in UNC3s, we have UNC4s too if you guys want those, but I know we have UNC3s. You guys, it's not for me to tell you about this sneaker. Pollen on black on pollen with the white midsole. All pollen back. Same on this side, the pollen swoosh on the black background. Okay, you guys, a little bit of top of the shoe action. You get the black toe box, black liner, pollen, black and white Nike icon on the toe tag. Again, I'm going to give you a side view. Yellow laces in the shoe. Black and white laces extra. Alright guys, you know what time it is in the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you made it this far. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep on getting shoes. I hope you guys will keep on getting shoes. Right now, it's a shoe wonderland. You get every shoe you want for under retail. Like I said, make sure you guys utilize those coupons while you can. If you're interested in saving some money and renting some shoes, I'm going to put my discount code down below. You guys take it easy and make sure you stay safe out there.